Hi friends, thank you so much for joining us for today's video. My fiance Caleb recorded a little room tour of his barracks room at Fort Drum, and we hope you enjoy.
Welcome everybody to my bedroom, starting with my closet. This is where I store all of my civilian and military bags and stuff. I've got a mirror right there behind the closet door, nightstand with toiletries on top of it. Got my bed, sorry it's unmade. Got enough height underneath it to store my bags. It's pretty simple. Pillow, fitted sheet, blanket. And if you've ever had a college dorm with this type of bed frame, you know how it works. If you haven't, you take these latches on either side, four corners, and you adjust it to whatever height you want it. It's a little difficult, but once you figure it out, it's easy. I've got my desk, air conditioner, set of civilian clothes on the back of it with my belt. I'm a little unorganized, but whatever. TV stand, Bluetooth speaker, hot sauces that my fiance gave me because she loves me like that. More stuff. Got a scale because I've got some weight loss goals I'm trying to work on. It's pretty bare bones, but it works.
Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful for you. Maybe you are posted to Fort Drum, or maybe you know someone, a friend or family member who is there, and this was helpful to see what their barracks room looks like. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel, and please subscribe for future adventures. We have more Fort Drum footage coming soon.